Experiencing issues with your EE Box Mini? A factory reset can often resolve connectivity and performance problems. There are three primary methods to reset your device. First, a soft reset can be performed via the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset, and confirm the reset when prompted. The device will then restart automatically. Second, a hard reset can be done using the physical reset button on the back of the device. With the device powered on, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds using a paperclip or similar tool until the LED indicator begins flashing. This clears all settings and data. Finally, a power cycle reset can be performed by unplugging the device from power for 30 seconds, holding the reset button while reconnecting power, and continuing to hold for 20 seconds after power restoration. This is the most thorough reset method. These three factory reset methods provide different levels of thoroughness, from the simple settings menu approach to the comprehensive power cycle reset. Choose the method that best suits your specific connectivity or performance issue. After performing a factory reset on your EE Box Mini, proper Wi-Fi optimization is essential for the best streaming experience. The first critical step is positioning your device correctly. Router placement makes a significant difference in your connection quality. A centrally located router provides much better coverage throughout your home compared to one placed in a corner or near other devices. When configuring your Wi-Fi connection, choose the 5 GHz band when available. The 5 GHz band offers better performance with less congestion compared to the 2.4 GHz band, which has overlapping channels and more interference. Password configuration is crucial for successful authentication. Avoid using special characters in your Wi-Fi password, as these can cause authentication failures with the EE Box Mini. Stick to letters and numbers for the most reliable connection. If you experience connectivity drops or streaming interruptions, several factors could be the cause. Electronic devices like microwaves, old phones, and other wireless equipment can create interference that disrupts your Wi-Fi signal. To isolate network issues, test your EE Box Mini with a mobile hotspot. If the device works perfectly with your phone's hotspot but struggles with your home Wi-Fi, the problem lies with your router configuration or placement, not the device itself. It's important to know that EE is gradually transitioning customers to newer streaming solutions. While firmware updates for the TV Box Mini are expected to continue through 2026, the device is approaching its end-of-life phase. If connectivity problems persist despite following these optimization steps, consider upgrading to EE's newer streaming solutions or evaluating smart TV apps as alternatives. This proactive approach ensures you'll have reliable streaming well into the future.